The apparatus that you will need are a 10 ml measuring cylinder, some test tubes and boiling tubes for your food sample, a 400 or 600 ml beaker, a 20 or 50 ml beaker for the deionized water, a glass stirring rod, wool yarn, vinegar, concentrated ammonia, 1 bag of M&Ms, 1 bag of Skittles, hot plate, a white tile, a pair of scissors, and a marker. First, make a water bath by filling a 400 ml beaker with approximately 150 ml water and place it on a hot plate. Set the hot plate at medium heat and wait for it to boil. Keep the water at a slow boil and add water to it to maintain an approximate volume of 150 ml. Then place 6 pieces of food, all of the same color and same brand, into the test tube and add vinegar just to cover the food. Next, place the test tube in the water bath and heat it until the colored coating has just dissolved. Then remove the test tube from the water bath and carefully pour the colored liquid into a second clean test tube, leaving the solid candy pieces behind. Next, measure out 15 cm of wool yarn for each of the samples that you have. Then cut them all out. Make sure that there are no marker stains on it, for it might affect the results later on. After measuring them all out, put 1 into each of the food samples colored liquid. Then add 3 ml of vinegar into each test tube. After adding the vinegar, place each test tube back into the water bath and heat the solution for about 5 minutes and stir them occasionally. After heating, remove the yarn from the test tube. Rinse it with a little deionized water. The yarn should be colored from the food dye. Place each of the yarn into a separate clean test tube and add 1 ml of concentrated ammonia solution into each of them. Put the test tubes back into the water bath and heat for about 5 minutes. Stir occasionally. Then remove the test tube from the water bath and allow it to cool. Take each of the wool yarn out and place it on a white tile.